Independent client Shane. This is a completion video showing the finished room of a mudroom that we started about a month ago. This is the finish with the countertops as well. Here you've got your butcher block tops. Those are the acacia butcher block tops with the variation in the finish. Here all your base cabinets are set on a stool. Dog wash in the corner. I actually did a dog wash for this one. A little sitting area here for their snacks and treats. Base cabinets, 3-drawer base 36. Let's load the functionality on those. That one's good. These are standard closed drawers. They're not soft close. Here's the front of that one. Here's this one, base 27. Same thing, all good. Functional, cleaned out. Same thing here, base 27. Doors are functional. Same thing there. Base 27 again. Here, there. All right, base 18, drawer base. Good shape. All the handles are on. Here, I've got all your baseboards in place. All your finished moldings. Now, the customer was telling me they did have some problems with water coming in from outside. So we were looking at this, but they're going to put a fan and stuff on it. And that way everything's no problem. They're going to put a bigger gutter, I think, on the outside. But on this one here, top countertops, you did a bevel edge, 4-inch backsplash. This is in the EVQ. This is the EVQ quartz that's on this one. It is seamed. Right here, seam on it. Again, this one's the acacia butcher block tops. This is a wall seating area, just a 36. It's to put the shampoo and stuff in. Right there. And then on this one, you got an upper piece of countertop here. Now these are all unfinished. The customer's going to be taking them out, finishing them on all 6 sides so that they have a water resistance to them. But they're just a ledge cover is what these are. This solid front piece we added in to finish out so we wouldn't have to order another full piece. But that's the seated area there. Over here is your front of your washer and dryer. We've got a enclosure for it. Got a vertical panel here on the left. They're going to paint this to match the cabinets. We did a little finished round edge molding here. Same thing over here, plywood side. Again, flat, got a little rounded edge here on the front. Again, it's a butcher block top. We did a sub deck underneath to where you would have some structure to it, but it is 1.5 inch solid, so should be in good shape there. Base drawer 15 right here. Everything's working just fine. Here we have our sink. There we go. Got our cutout for our piece here. And we did black splashes that are 1/2 inch thick. This is a 1/2 inch thick, that's a 1/2 inch. We've glued and stapled those in place so that they'll dry and finish. They're going to finish those in place. Here on the bottom, all these pieces, I've cut this out to the factory size for the overhang on the countertop. Went ahead and finished all these edges to where there's no open ends and open grain. We went ahead and put a little 45-degree chamfer cut on the front edges of everything, so no splinters around this area, just a small chamfer cut. But the customer's taking this piece completely out and putting it outside and actually putting it through everything as far as like all the edges, all the sides, everything being finished. Pull out trash can. This is the standard one, it's not the slow close. Base 18 here underneath. Sink, everything's in place. Legs are in place. Sink's glued in. Got another seated area here. Just did a enclosure. Put a finished back in it. So got a finished wrap on the end like this. And then here we just did minimum overhangs on the countertops. Again, 1/2 inch thickness on the splash, 1/2 inch on the top. Just ripped it down through the table saw to create a nice finished top and cover the top of that in a 3.5 inch 2x4 back wall. We had to put a stud wall behind that. As far as that goes, we're 100% complete. If you have any questions about this, feel free to give me a call, 423-650-1051. Have a great day.